Well, folks, it's Philip again from Pacific Coast, and we're on board our 34-foot Tolly. It's a 1982, and it doesn't look like it. We're doing the cockpit video and the inside video at this moment. We've done a walk around for you. It's a great boat in great condition. The owner has really seriously upgraded the boat all around. Somebody could get themselves a great boat. Super clean. Transom door out the back. That's Hazel there. She's my assistant today. Tahatsu, or AB dinghy with a Tahatsu 20 horsepower outboard, fuel injected outboard on that, center console steering. Nice dinghy package there. So when we go into the inside of the boat, it's got a convertible dinette or convertible settee here, a high-low table there on the starboard side, 2 lounge chairs, TV set. The teak is in beautiful shape. There's no water stains anywhere. The windows are clear. They're not cracked. There's no staining whatsoever anywhere on the boat. And it's got the full Garmin complement on the lower station here. One of the nice features is it's got these blinds. You pull them down. They're cellular blinds. They're all the way around for privacy. You just push them back up again. And they're up out of the way. What a nice feature there. So as we go forward, we got the helm station. I think I'll come back to that in a second. But looking down at the galley, the countertops have all been upgraded. The teak is in great shape. You got a 3-burner with oven, Force 10 propane range. You got a full-size fridge and freezer compartment. Quick look in there. Look at that. It's nice and clean. That yellow down on the bottom is a rag or to absorb any water that's there. What a great setup. New sink, hot and cold pressure water. And as you go forward, you have a great V-berth forward, which is not a V-berth. It's a double set off berth, full length. If you're tall, you'll fit in there. Hanging locker to port, lots of storage, lots of room. And look at the floors in the boat. Teak and holly, and they're in impeccable shape. So for a lot of people, we get the question is does it have a shower? And this boat does. When you go into the head compartment, you have a vacuum flush head system, hot and cold pressure water, vanity mirror, and a separate closing shower with a telephone style shower head on it. What a great feature. All fiberglass lined and a glass door. As you can see, you can close the door right there. Right, nice feature. 34-foot Tolly, 1982. If you want to get a great boat, this is it. Look at the upgraded electrical panel there. It's got a Victron energy monitor. It's got a solar panel. There's the panel right there. It's got the fume detector for the propane and an S-bar diesel furnace for those cold days. And then looking at the helm station here, we got a complement of Garmin electronics. It does have an autopilot too. It's got a GPS 5212 map on the lower section, which would have a fish finder in there. There's all your gauges are all nice and clear. And your hour meters on the boat, it's 1868 on the port, 1866 on the starboard. This boat spent its whole life in a freshwater location until 2008. It's been a freshwater boat for most of its life. The engine room is absolutely spotless. The engines run like a top. It doesn't get any better. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. Been in the boat business 30 years under the Pacific Coast Yacht Sales name. I've been in it for a lot longer than that, both as a yacht builder and as a broker in another location. But been with my own company for 30 years now. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, we're bonded and licensed in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia. Please give me a call, 604-708-1980. We're one of the finest 34 Tollys out there today. Thanks again.